In this video, you will learn how to remove all links in your WordPress post content at once. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Victor, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily remove all links in your WordPress post content at once by adding just a simple lines of PHP code to your child functions.php file. So what are we trying to achieve here? I'm going to pull up some of my post content on this website, and as you can see here, this post is having a link. This is the first post. This is another post which is having another link, and this is another post which is having another embedded link. So how can I remove all the links on my post at the same time? Instead of me having to remove the link directly from each WordPress post, how can we go about removing everything at once? So this is going to save us a lot of time and a lot of effort. So I'm going to head over to my dashboard and I'll show you guys how to go about this. So the first thing is, if I should go to my post content, you are going to see that currently I'm having over 500 posts on my WordPress website. So as it's showing here, so and all my posts is having all these embedded links linking back to Team Forest. So how can we go about removing everything at once? So the first thing you have to do is to head over to your theme child file editor. So I'll go to appearance, click on theme file editor. Then you will need to if the theme you are using is having a child theme, you need to look for the functions.php. But this my child theme is called Newsmark. I'm not using the child theme, so it's just the parent theme. So just head over to the functions.php. Now you need to copy this snippet code. So I will leave the link to the snippet code in the description of the video. So just head over and scroll down to anywhere, and we can just paste it directly here. So I'll be pasting the link, the code here, the code snippet here. I'll be pasting it here. Then click on update file. Now if we go back to our post content now and we try to check, so let's try to check if it's going to work. Now you can see that it has removed the embedded link for this. So if you check another one, let's check another post, you can see, okay, this is not having an embedded link. So let me head over to this Shopify themes, click here. So this is still showing, probably based on cache, but let's check another one. So we need to, it's advisable we check it in an incognito tab. Yeah, so this is working. Then let's check another one as well. So I'm going to check another template. I'm going to check another template. So as you can see, it's working. So with this snippet code, you can easily remove all the embedded links on all your WordPress posts at once. So this is going to save us a lot of time. Imagine if I had to start editing and removing all those embedded links one after the other. It can take me hours or days before I'll be able to complete it. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. A quick bonus tips, sourcefinitry.org is a platform whereby you can get free WordPress themes, CMS templates for free. So you can just head over to teamforest.com. You can search for the kind of themes or plugins you are looking for, or templates rather. Then you can also come over here. You can see the videos. If you want to watch video series, linking back to my channel, you can read articles and content relating to graphic design, website design, and more features are still coming up on the website. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you've loved this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.